Okay guys, the reason I've recorded this is because there's nothing online to tell you, and there's nothing advertised by the company or anything of how to do it. Right, basically, I've got an Audi A8, and the problem was that the battery kept going flat. It kept having a drain on it. Well, I rang Audi, no good, didn't know what it was. Rang loads of dealers, nobody knew what it was. And then I rang a friend who lives in Moscow, and he's an electronical and mechanical engineer. And what he told me was, he says there's probably a problem with the voltage. He says you need to measure what your voltage is. He said because the Audi A8 is so complex, he said what's probably happening is it's measuring a drop in voltage and turning everything off, which is then using more power to keep the things off and the relays off, and then your battery's going flat as a pancake. This is what you need to do, is make the voltage regulator think that there's enough voltage there, and then it won't do it and you'll never have a problem. So anyway, I checked his theory out and it seemed as if it was quite right, so I did some digging and looking around, and I rang him back, and he suggested that I fit another battery in addition, because he said there's an auxiliary battery on Audi A8s, and basically they become worn with age, which alters the voltage on the voltage meter, which then causes the problems. He said get a small battery, attach it to the big battery, so you got basically two batteries on your car and you'll have no further problems. Well, I was a bit sceptical about this, but anyway, I tried it. I got a brand new battery from the shop, just a small one, and I got some battery clamps. I attached them to I got the battery wires, proper battery wires, and I attached the battery wires to the battery clamps, some new clamps on, and left it at that. Well, that was 3 months ago. I've not had a flat battery since. The battery meter's always on full. Nothing shuts down. It doesn't cause any problems, and it was the best decision I ever made. So I thought I'd best share this with you, because nobody seems to know online how to solve the problem of the Audi A8 battery drain, and it seems there's loads and loads of people who've got it, and there's nobody at all who's managed to fix it. So I thought, I know, I'll share this with everybody, so hopefully they can all try it and they'll all be happy. Speak to you soon. Bye.